Alex knows that the shops and houses of Rosenheim are warm, and that when he wants to watch the match, he can turn on the TV and there will be power, but he doesn't know why. So Alex did what all children do, and he asked his father, who works at the city's utility company, where the power came from. "We have to be more efficient with all the resources we have," his father explained. "We have wind turbines and solar panels and natural gas, but we have to get the most energy out of them that we can. At the plant, we have a new gas engine called the Jenbacher J920 Flextra, which works with all of these resources to create heat and power for the town." "Think about a car engine. It gets very hot when it's powering a car," his father said. "The same thing happens at the power plant when it's creating energy. But unlike a car engine, the J920 Flextra is able to capture its own heat and use it to warm our homes. This is called combined heat and power, and it ensures that almost no energy goes to waste. And while we always try to use the sun and the wind to make power, the wind doesn't always blow and the sun doesn't always shine. The new system allows us to start up the J920 Flextra quickly, which means the town will never lose power, even when the sun goes behind a cloud. Efficiency is important because it means we can use fewer resources to create power. Every year, we could save as much as the amount of energy in 76,000 barrels of oil. The new gas engine also is designed to produce fewer emissions, about the same as having 4,100 fewer cars on the road. This means cleaner air for you, me, and all our neighbors. But most importantly," he explained, "the shops and houses of Rosenheim will have light and warmth, and when you want to watch the match, you can turn on the TV." "Cool," said Alex, and he went back to watching his football match. Yes, it is, thought his father.